The entire crypto market has crashed. It doesn't matter what coin you look at. Things did not look too good this morning. Bitcoin touched a price of $30,000 per coin, a price we haven't seen in about 5 or 6 months. Ethereum broke the $2,000 per coin range, dropped to $1,900 per coin, down over 50% from what it just was a couple of days ago. Dogecoin down about 25% in the last couple of hours. We're seeing Cardano down significantly as well. XRP, all across the board, no matter what coin you're looking at, it is down significantly. The entire crypto market lost $460 billion in just the last 24 hours, down even more than that, about $600 billion from all-time highs. And many people are wondering, what should they do? What are the steps you should take right now to mitigate losses? Should you buy more? What should you do? And everyone else is wondering, what is causing this major crash? Is it temporary? Is it going to be a long-term thing? What is going on? So in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what I'm doing. We're first going to go over what's going on with the crypto crash, go over 2 key reasons why we're seeing this crash, if it's going to be long-term or if it's just going to be a short-term thing, present a great buying opportunity. After that, I want to go over what's going on with Dogecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin, and all 4 of those coins' prices. I want to break down exactly what's happening with them now, how they've already recovered a bit, and where I see them going over the next couple of weeks, what I am personally doing. And after that, at the end, I'm going to go do a bit of a deep dive into one of the key reasons why we're seeing the entire crypto market crash, which is with regards to China and their ban on crypto. It doesn't ban people from actually buying it, but it does prevent people from using it as like a form of payment, and prevents banks and institutions from offering payment services in terms of crypto. So I want to break all of that down, and if you enjoy this sort of content on crypto, the stock market, and tech news, then please be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications. It really helps out more than you guys know, and let's get right into it. So to start, the crypto market lost about $460 billion over the last 24 hours. From all-time highs, it's down about $600 billion. And right now, the total market cap of the crypto market cap is $1.67 trillion. We're seeing Bitcoin have a market cap of less than $1 trillion. Well below that, it is at $713 billion. Ethereum is down from about a $500 billion market cap to now only $304 billion. We're seeing Dogecoin drop as well. And many people are wondering what is causing this massive crash. We saw everything just plummet, absolutely tank this morning, and people are saying, why is this happening? So according to a currency strategist at LMAX Digital, he says right now, and I agree with this, it's not just Bitcoin, it's not just Ethereum, it's the entire crypto world that we're seeing just dumping. And there's a high correlation between all cryptos out there. It doesn't matter what coin you're looking at, it's down. That's pretty obvious to everyone. We're seeing Dogecoin, which has been on a massive tear lately, down about 20% in the last 24 hours. And some of the main reasons for this is there's 2 key reasons why we're seeing this collapse, this crash today. The first reason is going to be with institutional support is retreating for Bitcoin. According to a recent study done by JP Morgan, they said that based on futures contracts, institutional investors appear to be moving away from Bitcoin and back towards gold. And that has been what's been driving the price down, because over the last couple of months, we've seen more and more institutions start to pour money into Bitcoin versus into gold. And they're saying Bitcoin is often touted as a potential replacement for the traditional metal, gold, as a store of value. And everyone knows that Bitcoin is treated as a digital gold. So if we're starting to see institutions, the ones with the billions of dollars to pour into Bitcoin, well, that could be one of the main reasons why. That is a reason. We are seeing this in terms of future contracts, but the main reason why we're seeing the whole entire sell-off for the entire crypto world, which I think is a bit of an overreaction, in my opinion, is because of regulatory concerns. So first of all, we're seeing China. That is the big issue, the big headline for today. So China, they've developed their own digital yuan, a crypto a digital asset that they want to use to replace paper money in the country. They're testing it. They have a lot of tests running with major corporations in China. And just earlier on Tuesday, they reasserted rules against other digital currencies, other cryptos, and they banned financial companies from providing services for crypto trading. So we're going to go over more of that in detail later, but I want to give you the two main reasons. And first is going to be that reason, which is with regards to institutional support, which is retreating for Bitcoin. And the second, which is what is going on with China, reasserting some bans on crypto. This is a ban that they put in place similar in 2013, 2017. So they reiterated a lot of this. So those are the two main reasons. Now let's get on to prices. So Ethereum touched a low in the last 24 hours of $1,900 per coin. We saw Ethereum well over $4,000 per coin just a couple of days ago. If you look over the past weekend, we saw Ethereum well over that $4,000 per coin range. It touched about $4,300 per coin. Now we're seeing it retreat pretty far down. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. All of you guys know this, and we saw it touch a price of $1,900 per coin. I've been buying it pretty consistently during this drop. I added a couple of my positions. In addition to Ethereum, we saw Bitcoin touch $30,000 per coin. We're seeing that at about 9 a.m. Eastern time. Everything just tanked. Dogecoin down to a low. At one point, dropped below 30 cents per coin, dropped to 21.8 cents per coin, which was a massive drop from where we saw just a couple of days ago when we saw it at the 60-70 cents per coin range. Cardano down as well, dropped well below the $2 per coin range. We saw it at $2 and about 10 cents, $2.40 at one point over the last week. Now it's down significantly, dropped to about $1.34 at a low. Many people are asking me, what am I doing? What's going on? And as you can see, all of these are highly correlated. It's not just one crypto, it's the entire crypto world that is tanking. So any coins that you think have a long-term future, long-term potential, you really like, what I'm doing is I'm adding to these. Can I say that, it's not going to drop anymore? No, it could drop a lot more from where it currently is. But if you believe in what these projects are doing long term, well, then, in my opinion, you can't go wrong buying these if you're going to be someone who's invested for 5-10 years. If you're looking for a quick return, a quick profit, well, then yes, it could drop pretty significantly from where it is. But me personally, I'm continuing to add. The two that I'm adding the most to are Cardano, because I think Cardano could easily get back up to that $2 per coin range very quickly, which would be about a 50% return if it does go back up to that. Ethereum, same as that. I think we're going to see Ethereum surpass Bitcoin in terms of total market cap. And if it were to do that, that would mean it would have, we would see Ethereum reach about a $1 trillion market cap. Right now it's at 300 billion. So we'd see about 3x from where it is. So I'm consistently adding to all of these. That's what I do. I consistently add over time to the projects I 100% believe in, and I think decentralized finance with Cardano, Ethereum, I think you can't go wrong with those. One of them is going to come out on top, but I think Cardano at a $50 billion market cap, for me, what position I'm in, I think it's a great buy. Ethereum as well, but just remember, we saw a 50% drop, and if I were to tell you it would drop another 50% tomorrow, a lot of people wouldn't want to buy. Me personally, I'll say, you know what? Dollar cost average, get into these things over time. When we're seeing drops, add to things I believe in. That's what I've been doing consistently. So that's where I see these prices. I see, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of those as great buys. If you believe in Dogecoin, I think that's a great buy as well. If you're believing in that long term, anything you believe in long term, I would just add when we see these big drops, because you don't, when everything's in the red, when everyone's fearful, those are days where I'm like, that this is great. Even though things dropped, I lost a bunch of money. Great time to get in. Great time to add to some positions I believe in. Finally, let's go into China. So China banned financial payment institutions from cryptocurrency business. And under the ban, institutions such as banks, online payment channels, they cannot offer clients any service involving cryptocurrency, such as registration, trading, clearing, and settlement. 3 industry bodies said this in a joint statement earlier in the day on Tuesday. So what this ban does is it really prevents cryptocurrency from being used as a form of payment in China. It doesn't prevent people from individuals from actually holding crypto. So people can still hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, any cryptocurrency they want in China. But it does prevent financial institutions, banks, payment channels from offering services that involve crypto. So, everyone's like, well, people can't buy crypto, people can't use it. It's true, people can't use crypto as like from banks and online payment channels. They're not going to be able to use that cryptocurrencies as a form of payment, but they still can own it and invest in it. Which is a good thing. So it's not like the end of the world for that. The main reason why we're seeing this is that China has issued their own digital yuan. They're doing a lot of tests, running a lot of tests with this, and we're already seeing JD.com, which is an e-commerce giant, really second to just Alibaba in China. We're seeing them already pay some employees using the digital yuan. They're paying other businesses with the digital yuan, and we're even seeing them start to run out other tests to make the Chinese digital RMB, the digital yuan, be used really heavily in the future. We're seeing them start to run a lot of tests with major corporations. We're seeing them talking about using it at the 2022 Winter Olympics in Beijing for not just people who live there, but also for foreigners to be able to run a test with, see how the digital yuan works, how it functions, and if it could be something that is definitely used wide scale long term. So that's really why we're seeing this. China, what they're doing with the ban on crypto has a lot to do with the fact that they want to be pushing their own digital yuan for payments. That's why we're still seeing, people invest and hold crypto in China. They just can't use them really with payment channels, banks, things like that, because China's trying to get their digital yuan to be a major player, a major role in terms of society, in terms of people using it as a form of payment. So we'll see what happens here, but that's why we saw the crash. There's two reasons: decrease in interest from institutions in Bitcoin, what went on in China with crypto, and then with prices of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Cardano. I'm adding to all of these. Anything I believe in long term, I'm continuing to add to. When we see the market go up, when we see the market go down, the coins that are more volatile are going to be the ones that have higher risk. So the lower market cap coins, the coins that don't have as big of practical uses right now, those are the ones that we're going to see have more, go up higher when the market's up, go down more when the market is down. And that's what we're seeing right now. You see Bitcoin is down only 9% in the last 24 hours, but for example, Cardano is down 17%. Bitcoin's only down 9%, like I said, but Dogecoin is down 25%. So really, Bitcoin's always going to be the least volatile out of all cryptos. You're not going to get as much reward, but you're not going to lose as much if it goes down. So that's what I'm doing. That's what's going on with the crypto world. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.